Hello and welcome to Technology Channel International. I am Bishworaj Poudel, and in this video I will help you to understand context window in LLM. Context window in LLM means short-term memory of large language model. The more context window LLM have, it means the more thing it can remember and process. Let me share my screen and let's understand context window with very practical demo. I will show you very interesting practical demo. Let's start. Okay, here is one thing. Have you ever noticed how some AI tools remember the things you have just said while others seem forgot quickly? You are chatting with ChatGPT and your conversation is more you just started chatting and you again wrote the prompt and do the things. Then after some time it forgot what you said earlier, okay, because it have limited number of context window. Okay, this ability to remember and keep track of conversation is managed by something called context window. It is the maximum number of tokens, pieces of text. I already created one video about token with practical example. You can watch that video. It is the maximum number of token pieces of text or large language models can process at once. Okay, context window. Imagine you are talking to someone who can only remember the last five sentences you said. After those five sentences, they start forgetting what you said earlier. This limitation is similar to a context window works for an AI. A context window is essentially the AI short-term memory. It determines how much recent information the AI can remember and consider when responding. Okay, now let's talk about why is the context window important. Number one reason is better response. The larger context window allow AI to understand longer conversation, leading more relevant and coherent replies. Okay, and another one is more accurate information. With the broader memory, AI can produce answer based on more complete information. Okay, let's do one practical example. Okay, here is the example. Short context window, limited memory. You said to large language model, my name is Bishworaj. AI replied to you, hi Bishworaj. After few more interaction, you asked, what's my name? But AI forgot. But in longer context window, if you say my name is Bishworaj and AI say hi Bishworaj, and after many interaction, what's my name? It is still remember your name because it has long context window. Okay, it is measured in tokens. I already created video of tokens. Okay, if you don't watch my video on token, you can watch that video. Basically, one word is equal to almost 0.75 token. Okay, you can measure in that way, but if you watch that video, then that will be great. Okay, you will not forget in your lifetime. Now let's see a practical example. I will open this software called LLM Studio, and in this setting, here you can see the context length is 193. Okay, if I increase it to 320 and click on reload to apply change, okay, this is good. Now I will start a new chat and say, hello AI, how are you? Okay, and I will ask again, what is my name? Okay, I don't know actually your name. Okay, this is cool. Now I will register my name here. I am Bishworaj Poudel. click on send. Okay, nice to meet you, Bishworaj. Okay, now I will say write something about cow. Okay, and I'll say, do you know me? And I'll hit enter. Here you can see we haven't had a conversation before this one. I don't have any information about your personal history or identity. This is the start of our conversation. You see, LLM forget the things because of shorter context window. Let's move. Why don't all AI have a huge context window? A bigger context window requires more computing power. Think of it like having more tabs open on your computer. When you open more apps on your mobile phone or more tabs on computer, then your device get hang. Okay, the more you open, the slower your computer might get. Similarly, larger context window can make AI slower and more costly to run. Current context window sizes. If you are using OpenAI GPT-4, then it can remember up to 128,000 tokens. That's a huge number. And Google Gemini 1.5 Pro can remember more up to 2 million tokens. Okay, this is a huge. That's like being able to recall an entire book. Challenge with large context window. Okay, one is slower response, another one is increased cost, and another one is security risks. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, hit the like button. I will see you. Thank you. Have a good day.